for another video. So I decided, I took it upon myself. I was like, I'm gonna stop saying hey YouTube. I'm gonna be like, because it's just a certain amount of y'all that be watching my videos, so it ain't the whole YouTube. So I decided to call y'all my pretty babies. So hey pretty babies, it's PrettiRee and I'm back again for another video. If you like that, if you want to work with it, let me know. So thanks guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends about PrettiRee. I'm cheesing extra hard. Okay, but okay y'all, let me stop cheesing. So I'm really gonna jump right into it. I was trying to do this TikTok, the makeup bowl TikTok, but she's not a TikToker. She doesn't do that. So we just did this one instead. We'll see how it turns out though. What else I was gonna say? Okay, brows. Let's see you brows. So I sprayed my face down and I let it sit for like 20 seconds while I got my charger because my phone is dying. So I opened it, and I'm not even gonna use all of what y'all just saw. Like, I'm gonna, did y'all see that? I tapped it off. Not too much. Yes, loving it, loving it. Do we want to jazz it up? Maybe not. Time for the highlight. Oh, why you mad? Cause my melanin pops severely and yours don't. I want to do a green milk. So that's what we're gonna do. Don't worry, y'all, I'm about to blend it. Can keep your eyes up my daddy, yeah. Ooh, and she's back. And she's back. Ooh. I like it like that. She working there, but I don't know how to act. Okay. To set my face in place, we use this Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. Oh, who got bars? Me. That's bars, like, that's bars. But this legit though, like this that split. This that split. My face ain't going nowhere. None at all. No place, no place, no place, no place. But I'm gonna just use this dewy finish as well, just so we can do it up. I'm spraying all the way over there. And voila! Look at this. So my hair did grow out since my big chop, and then I dyed it again. So all of the dark roots that you're seeing are the roots that I dyed, and then the black roots are the roots that are coming in since I dyed my hair. If y'all want to like a little TWA update, let me know. But yes, I am feeling this look. Ball blondies. Ball blondies. But yes, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, you a real MVP, because I know I can ramble, but you my dog for sure. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends about PrettiRee.